Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate photos using the CapCut AI Photo Effect. So to start, you can just click on the AI effect here on the CapCut homepage and just select the photo that you want to edit. For example, I'm going to edit this photos right here. Now what you need to do is just select the prompt from the option in here, or you can also enter the prompt manually by adding some keywords, style characteristics such as game art, cute girl, or others. And after that, here you can also use the trending prompt on CapCut. So I'm going to just use, for example, this CG1. Now just here you can also adjust the intensity, and after that click on generate at the bottom, and CapCut will apply the AI photo effect to the photo that you add into CapCut. So just wait until the generating process is finished. So this is the result of the photo that I added before with the CapCut AI photo effect, the CG1. And here you can just click on save to save the photo. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.